watching about it. Don't see it, man.
Mama, don't brush your teeth.
What's the
Yeah, all the jacket I give you. That's easy now. I have half of you. So you don't have to squeeze it into that one. That's the The chicken is set. I put the other one. If you begin a man, you might get the money from that one.
Give me a little bit. Let's see, I should now.
But then,
You should down actually. I'm not ready to
I'm saying this particular line of you could tell all the shoes. This one is good. Darling, come on in. Come on in. Jim, Jim, Jim. Boop, 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 boop. I will have to do something else. But that one is good. There's no space there. Hello, baby, you're down.
Hello.
What are you trying to do?
Mama, we are moving into our new house today.
Baby.
Well, what about bed?
You're going to buy today.
What do you read out?
Yeah, I'm reading.
This one, this one.
You have to go around today. Let me get
Mine.
Did you check your water snappy?
Not yet.
Yeah.
What are those going?
I'll put them in the bag. They're your shoes.
No.
I mean,
What's the trouser?
rather with this, so nothing will trap me.
You will get up trousers. You don't have black trousers. You go to the fine.
My tablet in your bag.
I think you have to wear trousers on top. Let's do the pants. So that this man will soon be here.
Second.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
No, just. Yeah, you forgot everything. There's no point. Jim, what are you eating on the floor?
Just stand down.
What are you eating on the floor with that? This. You're running away from me. Yeah, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're done. Yeah. Okay, that's what mommy knows.
You must be man.
It's too bossy. No, it's not big one. You trust me. Alright, so don't make me sweat.
Nothing but that.
Yay!
What is happening? Harry, let's go. Move it.
You take it away. Before you.
Move back closer to the other.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you say thank you? Jamaica, that's gonna fall again.
It's working back. It's helping.
It's okay.
That's it.
Why did you fall down again?
We are moving into our new house today. End up staying in a hotel.
I still want to go to the village.
Yeah, you go to the village. Even I think it's a village. Mama, we'll take you to the village. Jamaica, this suitcase, you know.
What eggs suitcases?
Yes, suitcases.